So it all really boils down to just one man, Reserve Bank of India Governor, and what thought exactly is occupying his mind. George, what is your understanding? Because my understanding is the street is divided. If I look at the comments which came from the finance minister yesterday, he's making a case for a rate cut. But if I look at the fine print of the RBI macro report which was released after market hours yesterday, Reserve Bank of India is still maintaining caution.
Well, that's right, Nikunj, because, while everyone seems to have priced in the likelihood of a CRR cut, a quarter-point cut, which will essentially give something like 17,000 crores to the banking system, on the repo rate, there is only a minority of people who believe that the RBI will actually move ahead and cut rates. Now, if you go purely by the numbers that you have before you, if you have look at the inflation numbers, etc., there is really no case for the Reserve Bank of India to cut rates today. But if you have to look beyond the numbers and look to the improved relations between the Finance Ministry and the Reserve Bank of India, there could possibly be the likelihood of a rate cut. That's a very remote possibility, to the extent that you've had the Finance Minister and the Governor having actually worked together. The equation between them is a lot better than it was with the previous Finance Minister. So that possibly can or could prompt the RBI to possibly lower the repo rate by a quarter percentage point. But going by all other factors, it doesn't seem like you'll see anything on the repo rate front. On the CRR rate front, a quarter point cut. If we do not have that quarter percentage point cut on CRR, it will be a big disappointment for the markets.